Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nenye's Diary. My name is Nenye. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nenye, Anambra State, Nigeria, who loves to create content on food, lifestyle, stories and vlog. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys something I find so irritating about what mothers do, most especially to their girls. So I'm going to be discussing on that, and yeah, so you guys should sit back, relax as we begin. And yeah guys, I'm so tired this morning. It rained so heavily here and I'm so tired. From the look on my face, you guys will get to see that I'm so tired filming this particular video, and I'm even sitting on the floor. That's how tired I am. But anyway, some days are like that. So guys, yeah, from what I said earlier about what mothers do to their kids, I don't understand it. I don't know what is wrong with this our new generation mothers. So, a lot of mothers do terrible things to their children, all in the name of I want them to be in a certain way, I want them to look like this, I don't want them to look like this. So they end up doing a lot of things to their children. So today I'm going to be discussing on why mothers like bleach the skin of their infants or their toddlers. That is the one that is even getting to me. I find that is so irritating and disgusting because I don't understand why you will be doing that to your own child. Allow them to grow up before they can now choose what they want or what they don't want. Bleaching of their skin is their own decision. It's not for the mothers. Allow them to be. Yeah, some mothers, they do all this all in the name because they want their children to be fair in complexion. You want their skin to look a certain type. Then why don't you marry a fair man? Or maybe ask your mothers, maybe why don't them like your mothers marry a fair man for you to be fair? This is hereditary. You cannot change it. So why will you do that to your own kids? Allow them to be, allow them to grow and make their own decision by themselves. Black is beauty. Yes, black is beauty. If they manage to be fair in complexion, that's fine. But you as a mother, you don't have to do that. So allow them to make that decision by themselves. They don't even know what they want at this age. And this thing is so annoying that why will you be bleaching a small baby? A small baby of maybe of some months or thereabouts. Why would you be damaging their own skin? There are so many things you can do for that baby for their skin to look nice. Yeah, there was a time I saw one woman, she has a baby of about 8 months or thereabouts. She was even bleaching that baby girl. I was like, why are you doing this? She said that her son is fair, the other one is fair, but this one is dark, and it's because she's a girl. So I want to bleach her so that she will look like she will complement with the siblings. I said, oh no, you don't have to do that. That this thing you are doing is not of any benefit to that girl. That girl might even grow up, she won't even like the way her skin tone is anymore. Because you've removed that natural tone her skin has. You've removed it. She might not get to like it again, because if you see someone that bleached, you will know. You will know by their skin tone. Some of them, they're not chamili or what I don't even know. You will know, because all these things are made of chemicals. The one that is even annoying me that she uses all those from Bat A, all those triple action inflammatory what's it called, tube. That's what she was using on it. Not that she was even using a better cream or something else. She was using all those cream on that tube on that girl. And before you know it, so that the baby girl now has black eye. As a no, she's not even up to 1 year. As at that time, she already has a black eye. When she gets to grow up and see that picture, like what will she? What will you tell her as the mother? Even from what I saw and what people have been saying, that one even shocked me. I don't even understand. I know that we women are desperate about skin bleaching and the rest of it, but I don't even understand that particular one. They are even on Instagram that they sell drugs for you to take, or they have tablets that you take while you are pregnant. Kid generation I know they think. You have a drug that you have to take so that the thing will start working from the tummy. I don't even understand that. They don't even consider what that drug is going to do to that baby. What if that drug harms that baby? Or maybe when you get to give birth to that child and that girl or boy will have a deformity. They don't even think about that. All they want is for the baby to be fair in complexion. Some people will grow up and might like their skin tone the way it is, or maybe they decide to change their skin color. Just allow them to do it on their own. Because we mothers, we should learn to do the needful and know what is right for us as the mothers to do. Because there are some things you need to do. That's not the proper training you have to give to your child. The another part of it is that women of this generation, they leave what they are supposed to do as mothers and be doing what is not even a priority. Because to me, this skin bleaching is not a priority. Again, bleaching, anything. Because to me, when I said some terrible things my mother did to me, and that I wish she knew better. Oh my goodness, let me tell you, to be honest with you guys, my mother, she knew better. There are so many things you can do for your baby girl or for your baby boy. We have so many good moisturizers in the market. So that's what my mommy does. We use moisturizers when we were small, and we even still use, even when I entered university, I used Pierce. Okay, for this Pierce baby cream. That's what I was using as a teenager self. Even up to right now, so I don't even use cream. I might buy there's this cream I normally buy from Instagram, and yeah, that time I bought that cream just for my face because I've been battling with acne for years. That's the only time I even use cream on my face. Not even all the time, because sometimes it gets so tiring to me. I will just leave my face like that. Unlike today, can't you see the way my face is? Because I'm breaking out again. So, and yeah, that is it. There's so many things you can do for your baby girl for her skin to look nice, other than bleaching the skin. If you want them to be fair, you can start giving them all those fruit and vegetables. It helps a lot with skin. There's so many, you start giving it to them on time. And use good moisturizers, and their skin will look so good. So that's why I said my mother, she did a good thing, and she knew better. She knew better. That's why up to today, I'm not even fascinated about using cream or not using cream. It doesn't fascinate me. So let's all do the needful and know what is good for our own girls and our own children. We can do better as mothers, not to be bleaching skin or to be changing their skin tone. Or there was even the one I saw that they even pierced babies' ears. Some mothers are so terrible. Imagine having 2 piercing on a baby. Hey! Some mothers, I don't understand this. I don't even understand this generation at all. You bleach your baby's skin, you give them 2 piercing while they were still small. What if you took one, or maybe that she wants only 1 piercing? So, to me, I don't even know what to say again, but it's a no-no. Is a no-no. So guys, if you find this video very fascinating or very irritating, or however you feel about this video, please leave some comments in the comment section, and I will be glad to respond to each and every one of you. Hey, because skin toning, before you people come for me, skin toning is also good, but my own take about this is just allow the girl to grow up, for them to know what they want. Don't do it for them. These chemicals, it is so harmful to adults, because there are some creams some adults will use. They will start having skin irritation and skin burning and the rest of it. Then talk more of babies. So that's my own concern. You can bleach your skin when you come of age. That one is none of my business. But as for babies, pico is not necessary. It's not needed. There are so many things we can do to our babies. There are so many morals we can teach to our young children growing up, rather than bleaching their skin. And yeah, also I want to commend Nazome on her video on skin bleaching and skin bleaching. Watching her again made me to go refilm this video, because I've already done this video some months back, but I lost the clip. My laptop refused to on. I have to refilm this video this morning again. So Nazome, you did a very good job, and yeah, thank you so much, Nazome. And yeah, so guys, this is officially the end of this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, because subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow. You guys are the reason why I'm still here today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.